Hi, here with fabric spray dye. We're going to paint this chair. We did a water test on this chair and it failed. The water beaded right up on it, and because it's got a water protectant like Scotch Guard or something like that. We're going to clean that off because we really want to paint this chair. You can use anything. You can use a carpet cleaner, you can use a warm rag. We're going to use a steamer. Just going to go along the chair. We're going to paint it now and see how it goes. Now, I take the can, I give it a light shake. That's all you have to do. Then you turn the nozzle on. Try to keep the can upright as you paint. And nice even strokes. Oh my God, didn't tape that up. It's because you don't have to. It doesn't stick if it's not porous. If this had a whole bunch of wood chips in it, then I would have taped it up or refinished it. All right, here we are with after one can of fabric spray dye. Pretty good coverage. We don't really know what it looks like until it dries. And then at that point, maybe we'll crack another can open and hit any light spots.